Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact process for stopping a task from recurring in ClickUp. As workflows change, you'll often find that a task you once needed every week is no longer necessary. In 2025, the standard way to handle this is by manually removing the recurrent settings from the individual task itself. Let's break this down step by step to ensure your calendar stays clutter-free. Step 1. Open the specific task. First, navigate through your workspace and locate the specific recurring task you want to modify. It's important to click directly on the task name to open the full task view. If you try to do this from a high-level list view without opening the task, you might miss the specific date modal we need to access. Step 2. Locate the due date field. Once you have the task window open, look toward the top, just above the task description area. You'll see a section for the due date or a field simply labeled Dates. Click directly on that date to bring up the calendar and date selector modal. This is where all the timing logic for your task is stored. Step 3. Access the recurring menu. Now, look at the bottom left corner of that date selector window. You will see a button labeled Recurs, or a small icon that looks like a circular repeat arrow. Click this button to open the Advanced Recurrence settings. This menu shows you exactly how often the task is currently set to repeat. Step 4. Disable the recurrence. To stop the task for good, find the drop-down menu within these settings and select the option labeled Don't Recur or None. By selecting this, you are telling ClickUp to stop generating any future instances of this task immediately. Once you save this, the task becomes a one-time item. Alternative: using expiration dates. If you don't want to kill the recurrence immediately but want it to phase out, there's a great alternative. In that same recurring menu, unselect the Recur Forever checkbox. You can then choose Repeat to tell the task to only trigger a specific number of times, for example, recur 5 more times, or use the End On option to pick a specific calendar date for the final occurrence. This is perfect for short-term projects that have a clear finish line. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.